Hey friends, who's hungry? Cake Mix Apple Cobbler is a warm and delightful dessert that's super easy to prepare. In a large mixing bowl, combine 4 cups of cored and sliced Granny Smith apples with 1/4 cup of lemon juice. Add 1 cup of brown sugar, half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, half a teaspoon of ground nutmeg, and 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Stir everything together until the apples are evenly coated with the mixture. Transfer the apples to roughly an 8 by 8 baking dish. The pan I'm using is 9 inches wide and about 2.5 inches deep. Sprinkle 1 15-ounce box of butter-flavored cake mix evenly over the top of the apples. Then pour 1.5 cups of unsalted melted butter over the top of the cake mix. Carefully spread the butter around to make sure the cake mix is coated. If the dish seems a little full, don't worry. The apples will cook down and the cake mix will not rise during cooking. Bake in a 350-degree oven for 1 hour until the crust is golden brown. Allow the cobbler to sit for about 10 minutes before serving, then serve the cobbler hot with ice cream or whipped cream. If you like Southern cooking, follow me for more recipes.